Hey there and welcome back. So here we have my second New Year's Eve design. As I mentioned in the pink video, I wasn't sure, I couldn't make my mind up for what base color I was going to use for this design, so I decided to do one pink and one blue and design them a little bit differently. So check out the pink video if you're interested in just some basic stamping. Otherwise stick around here and we'll be going into some reverse stamping. So for this video I tried out a few different things, so I just put some different images onto the stamping mat, and then from there I decided which images I was going to keep. I didn't end up using all of them. Some of them you can see kind of didn't work out. I also tried putting just a plain image on my thumb just to see what it would look like, and I wasn't that thrilled with it because the blue's so shiny. I was a bit it sort of went into the background and didn't stand out, so I wanted to add a pop of color with the reverse stamping so that it would look a lot nicer. So I started out with some contrasting colors, so like the blue that you've just seen here and the dark purple, so that they would sort of stand out and it looked really cool against the light silvery blue that I had as the base. For this one I've used the Maniology plate. It's the same one that I used in the pink design. And so just if you want to, you can get 10% off Maniology using my code The Nail Chronicle, and I really appreciate your support if you do use my code. Anyway, back to nail art. So I picked a few different ones, and so I filled in like the wine bottle. The nude was a bit of a different color pick compared to the other colors. This one's got a little bit of a glisten and a bit of shine to it, which is kind of why I went for it. And I also wanted something that would tone down and I guess take away the brightness of the design, so that wasn't so in your face as with all the bright colors, which would be okay, but I just wanted to pull it back a little bit. So hence I went with the sort of nude shade. This is a Natio blend. I then came back to the really dark, or the shiny blue, kind of is that very dark blue. This is another ILNP polish. And so just filled in the balloons, adding some colors, and then I moved on to another ILNP, which is a green, and you'll see that in a second on the next set of balloons. I also decided to fill in the little bits of confetti, just thought it would look cool and look fun, and it did kind of add that little nice sort of touch of color, especially against the silvery blue that I've got there as the base, which in this light looks very silver. So the green one I was a little bit worried about because you can see on there it's a little bit jelly, and I was concerned that it would look a little bit see-through or a little bit too opaque, but it worked out alright. So here's my second design for New Year's Eve. I hope you have a wonderful New Year's Eve. Please take care and stay safe, stay home if you need to, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, thank you for watching and I'll see you next year. Bye!